So you've learned what it means to quote, paraphrase, and summarize, and you've explored how to do all of it. Now, let's see what you remember. Question 1. When paraphrasing, how can you avoid copying a text too closely? A. Find synonyms for words in the passage. B. Change the structure of the sentence using the text's vocabulary. C. Look away from the text and explain it like you would in a conversation. Or D. Just quote it directly. If you thought C, you're correct. Reading the source and then looking away for a bit helps you to absorb and understand the information. Then you can write about it in your own way. Question 2. A summary is A. A thorough representation of information or ideas in a specific passage. B. A concise statement of a text's main information and/or arguments. C. Copied exactly as a passage appears in the original text. Or D. All of the above. The correct answer here is B. Summaries are shorter than the original text and contain a brief explanation of the main ideas. Question 3. When are quotation marks required? A. Quotation marks are never actually required. B. When text is copied exactly as it is in the original. C. When an idea is paraphrased. Or D. Quotation marks are always required. The answer is B. Quotation marks must be used any time text is copied directly from the original source to signal to the reader that it is borrowed language. Question 4. What can you do while reading to maximize your understanding of the text? A. Briefly summarize the main idea of each section. B. Note down direct quotes to accurately keep track of information. C. Restate part of the text in your own words. Or D. All of the above. If you thought D, all of the above, you're correct. These are all great tools to use while reading and researching to help make sure you absorb and remember the information from your sources and know exactly where to look when you need to come back to a particular idea. Question 5. How do you know when text should be quoted directly? A. When you don't understand the main idea. B. When it mentions a proper noun. C. When you can easily put the idea into your own words. Or D. When the idea cannot be said in any other way. The answer here is D. When an idea is written so perfectly that you want your audience to read or hear it the same way you did, that's a great time to use a direct quote. So, how did you do? If you answered these questions confidently, that's great. If not, no worries. These videos are here to help you when you need them. Keep them bookmarked so you can refer back to them whenever you need. And remember, these are all things that we can work with you on at the Writing and Speaking Studio. To make an appointment, visit fit.mywconline.com or email writing_speaking@fitnyc.edu with any questions. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you soon.